Wipe your nose, honey. Wipe your nose. Did you drop that behind the bag? Go. Wipe your nose. No. Wipe your mouth. Oopsie doozy.
Mommy, I'm trying to put something away. And this was a rice with me for you.
Well, just don't lose my chicken pencil. Grandma needs that chicken pencil for when she gets her box in her house. Oh, speaking of that.
What you doing, Lay?
Just writing something.
Can you write Katie? Okay. Make the line.
And then this.
Ugh. Yuck! That's it. When you're eating poison. Look. Oh, start. Oh.
Oh, great. Now I made a cup.
Can you help her do the lines for the K? She's a little confused with that. She got the straight line, but
Yeah,
she needs
yeah.